20 home remedies everyone should know. Here are some home remedies that can help you stay healthy. 1. Reduce acidity by sucking on a piece of clove after a meal. 2. To relieve headaches caused by summer heat, enjoy a glass of refreshing watermelon juice each day. 3. Pomegranate juice is great for your heart and can benefit those with low blood pressure. 4. If you often struggle with constipation or indigestion, have half a cup of cooked beets before breakfast. 5. If you suffer from migraines, try eating an apple first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for a few days to see if it helps. As a long-term migraine sufferer, I found this to be effective. 6. If you have acidity, try chewing a few basil, tulsi leaves after meals. Not only does it act as an antacid, but it also aids in food digestion and prevents reflux and ulcers. 7. Boil 6 dates in half a liter of milk over low heat for 25 minutes, then drink 3 cups per day. This is the ultimate remedy for dry coughs. 8. For various stomach and gastric issues, try swallowing a flake of garlic with water on an empty stomach every morning. 9. Did you know that lemons are packed with vitamin C? They're also rich in nutrients like vitamin B, riboflavin, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium. Start your day by drinking warm lemon water to help cleanse your system and support liver health. Lemon water has many benefits including improved digestion, relief from nausea, heartburn, indigestion, high blood pressure reduction, stress relief, and even possible depression alleviation. 10. Mix 2 teaspoons of honey with ginger juice, use the same amount. This mixture can help you get rid of mucus and provide relief for coughs, sore throat, and the common cold. 11. If you're looking for a simple remedy to prevent anemia or iron deficiency, try pounding 3 to 4 soft dates with milk and adding a little ghee to it. Eating this mixture regularly can help prevent anemia. 12. Want to make your own cough syrup? Here's how. Peel and chop 6 medium onions, then put them in a container along with 4 tablespoons of honey. Let it sit in a water bath over low heat for 2 hours, then strain it and take 1 tablespoon every 3 hours. 13. When it comes to soothing a sore throat, nothing beats the power of natural remedies. One of the best methods is to gargle with a mixture of warm water, salt, and powdered turmeric. Just mix half a cup of warm water with half teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of powdered turmeric, then gargle away. Remember not to eat or drink anything for at least half an hour afterwards so that the salt and turmeric can effectively kill bacteria. Feel free to repeat this as often as needed throughout the day. 14. Dealing with acne and blackheads? Try applying grated cucumber on your face, eyes, and neck for 15 minutes, it's really helpful. 15. Ear infections can be excruciatingly painful, but fear not. There's a simple remedy that can bring you relief in no time. Just put a drop of garlic juice into your ear and experience the magic as the pain subsides. Trust us, it works like a charm. 16. Here's a great tip to get rid of those pesky dark circles naturally. Just whip up a homemade tomato paste by blending 1 or 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of gram flour and turmeric powder until it forms a thick paste. Gently apply this mixture around your eyes and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with water. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times a week and watch your dark circles fade away, leaving you with lighter and brighter skin around your eyes. 17. If you want to reduce body odor, try applying a mixture of baking soda and lemon juice to your underarms. 18. If you have a severe cough that just won't quit, combine basil, tulsi, juice with garlic juice and honey for an effective home remedy treatment. Take a teaspoonful of this mixture every 3 hours to alleviate excessive coughing spells. 19. Feeling hungover? Try soothing your stomach lining with a banana milkshake sweetened with honey. Cold milk will provide comfort while bananas with honey help restore depleted blood sugar levels. 20. For stomach gas relief, try adding a few fennel seeds to hot water and simmering it for 5 minutes. Then strain the solution and drink it. If you don't mind the taste, you can also chew on fresh fennel leaves or make a concoction with fennel, cardamom, and mint leaves boiled in water.